Good morning, students. Today we will continue our topic. As previously we have discussed about the odd mass, we have already discussed about the odd mass, that is of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now we will use the use of brackets. Okay, and this odd mass we will use board mass. Okay, we will use board mass, and in simplifying fraction, bracket can also be used. The three brackets, that is this bracket you can see, first one, the curly braces you can see, and asterisk, the square bracket also you can see. These three brackets are commonly used in simplification. They are solved in the same order. The rest of the sum follow this odd mass rule. Okay. Now b is added to odd mass. In this odd mass, only this b is added, that is board mass. Okay. B for bracket. This is the first bracket. This is the second bracket. And this one will be the third bracket in your question. Okay. So then after solving this bracket, the same process you will apply to solve simplification. O means of. Okay. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. Clear? So in this way you can solve. Okay. So first let's start some with example, small example. We have to simplify this equation. Okay, we have to solve this equation. So first what we have to do, first change this improper into proper. That is 21 by 10. After that we have to solve first what? This bracket. Okay, this one bracket. So we can solve this by finding the 5 and 10 LCM. Okay, LCM of 5 and 10. So what will be the LCM of 5 and 10? That is, it will 10, then 6 plus 21. Okay, then 9 by 19 divided by 27 by 10. So now what we have to do? 9 by 19, change the sign, then 10 by 27. Okay, so this 3, so 1 into 10 by 19 into 3, that is 10 by 57. Clear to all of you? So in this way you can solve first bracket, then off, then divide, then multiplication, then addition, then at the last subtraction. Okay, let's move to some more example so that you can understand very clearly how you can solve the equation. Okay, Let's take some bigger example. Okay, so we have to solve this one. So what we have to do, remember, from back side you have to solve. In this way you have to solve, in this way. Okay, in this way you have to go. No need to solve in this way. You have to solve in this way. Okay, from the back side. 1 plus 8 plus, change into this one, that is 22 by 3 plus 26 by 3. Clear? First I have changed the improper to proper. Now what we have to do, 25 divided by 1 plus 8 plus, solve this one. What will be the answer? That is 48 by 3. The denominator is same here, so direct numerator plus numerator by denominator. Okay, so now 25 divided by 1 plus, nothing is here, put 1 here, find an LCM, that is 24 plus 48. Okay, now 25 1 plus, what will be the answer? 24 plus 48, you will get 12. 72 by 3. Okay, now 25 divided by, nothing is here, put 1 here, find an LCM. What you will get? 3 plus 72. So 25 divided by, what will come here? 75 by 3. So 25 divided by 75 by 3. Nothing is here, put 1 here. Now 25 by 1 into 3 by 75. Okay. Now solve this. Simplify this. 25 ones are 25 and 25 3s are 3 cancel, that is 1. Clear to all of you? So in this way you have to solve this, the bigger simplification. Okay, in this way you have to go from backward. In this way you have to solve from this line. In this way you can solve. Okay, I have marked the arrow, you can see. In this way you will go, and at the last with 25. Remember, okay, this is the simpler way to solve. Clear to all of you? Okay, this way. Okay, now next comes to statement sum. Okay, some word problem, how to solve the word problem. Statement sum. Okay, so suppose question says that 4 by 7th of a number is 84. Find the number. Okay, what do you say? 4 by 7 of a number. We don't know what is the number. So what we have to do? 4 by 7 of a number 84. So number is equals to 84 into 7 by 4, that is 147. So the number is 147. Clear? Now second example, Manu reads 2/5 of 80 page. Okay, 2/5 of 80 pages of his lesson. Okay, how many more pages has he read to complete the lesson? Okay, so Manu reads 2/5 of 80 pages. 2/5 means 2/5 can be written as 2 by 5. Remember, 2/5 of 80 pages. 2/5 of, and what is the meaning of? That is multiplication. Clear? So 2/5, 2 by 5 into 80. How many pages? That is 32 pages. After solving this, so how many pages he has already read? That is 32 pages. So how many pages are left? Question says that how many page Manu will read more. So total how many pages? 80 pages. Okay. So out of 80, 2/5, 2 by 5 he had already read. So how many left? So 80 minus 32. That is 48 more he had to read. Clear all of it? In this way, you can solve the word problem. Clear to all of you? Okay? In this way, you can solve.